We are told that the client is receiving 1,000 milliliters of Ringer's lactate. The IV is infusing at 21 drops per minute, and the drop factor is 10 drops per milliliter, and we are asked to calculate the infusion time. Infusion time is usually reported in hours, so that is where we are going to start our equation. The first fraction needs to have hours in the numerator. We have information here that involves milliliters, drops per minute, and drops per ml. So because we have minutes here, we need to start with a conversion between hours and minutes. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Our next fraction needs to have minutes in the numerator. So we have 1 minute is what it takes to infuse the 21 drops. Our next fraction needs to have drops in the numerator. So over here we're told that we have 10 drops per milliliter. And then our next fraction needs to have milliliters in the numerator. So we have 1,000 milliliters, and we will place that over 1. Cross out the labels that are repeating, milliliters and milliliters, drops, drops, minutes, and minutes. We are left with hours, and that is good because that's what we need our answer to be in. So we are set up correctly. We have 1 times 1 times 10 times 1,000 is equal to 10,000. We have 60 times 21 times 1 times 1 is 1,260. When you divide 10,000 by 1,260, you get 7.936. When you report your time in hours, if there is a portion of an hour, you want to report that in minutes. So we need to take this part of the number and convert it into minutes. You want to round to the nearest hundredth. Because this is 5 or greater, we're going to take 0.94 and we are going to multiply it by 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. When we do that, we get 56.4. Because this is less than 5, we just keep this as 56. So our answer is 7 hours and 56 minutes.